To the B-side.
Alright, Oregon, Northwest Bronco Roundup. Where's my keys? Hold on. Northwest Bronco Roundup 2018. Let's hit the road. The sand. We're gonna hit the sand.
Way and you see, oh, that's a nice smooth hill. Yeah, don't go launching off that stuff. It's just, it's not a good thing. You're gonna really mess stuff up. So.
Hey Ryan, this is Mitch from Wild Horses. You won a Holly Sniper, man. He's a real dude.
What's up, YouTube fam? It's Mitchell's twin, Sally, taking over the YouTube channel today. So today we did the Oregon sand dunes and it was pretty dope. It's freezing cold, sand everywhere, but that's what you need, that's what you should expect when you're coming out here. Yeah.
Excellent. Great stuff. She's better than me.
Who said you were good?
Alrighty, so we couldn't expect go anywhere without getting a little bit of grease on our hands. So hopefully that's the only grease we got to deal with on this trip. We'll keep you guys tuned. Keep watching. We got some dope stuff on the way, I hope. So this is cool. Check it out. Park. We're in park. And oh hey, look, it's a visitor.
And the usual Bronco brother coming to check and make sure his homeboys are okay. And we are. We just don't have park.
Well, that's what we're gonna demonstrate right now.
What we're gonna demonstrate? Oh, by me pushing.
So again, we're in park and
on the column.
And he can push us and we're in park. So that's no bueno. That's fun. First day out here. We gotta worry about parking on a sand dune somewhere and not rolling over. So we'll film it if we do though. That is how you solve not having parking. Yo, whoa, hold up. Yo, what's up guys? It's day, I guess it would be 2. We're about to go take the gnarly picture. We got the street cruise tonight. We're gonna whip around in the sand just a little bit more. Yeah, that's just kind of what happens when you come to these things. I don't know, let's hit the road. Check out this, never mind. We're not gonna do a drone shot. Or are we? this out, guys. Those of you who don't know, that's the track bar. Ay, ay, ay.
Painful to go 200 yards and look, 200 yards and look, but I mean, it should be worth it because then you'd make it all the way.
Well,
you drop it, you're
it's
toast.
been hanging. That's just gonna push it right out.
No, you don't need to monitor it and see where the heck it's at.
I mean, I could connect my phone to this.
Can you?
And you can see it.
That'd be cool.
So, don't know how much that wind is affecting how you guys hear this, but this is what we had stuck in where the track bar goes. We're here at this handy dandy little nifty auto parts store trying to figure this stuff out. We're gonna fix this. We'll be right back. Alrighty.
Call that good.
Yeah. See how that does. I swear we visit this hardware store every year. But, oh well. Let's hit the road again.
If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream.